Communication is the key. It connects both you and me. Yes! Communication is the key. It connects both you and me. Absolutely right. Speak English like never before. जी हाँ दोस्तों, मैं फिर से आ गया हूँ क्योंकि मैं तो बाज नहीं आऊंगा. I will make you speak English fluently, correctly and impressively. You know, guys, what is that one secret by which you can be a wonderful communicator? The only one secret is it's self-communication. You join any institution, you get a lot of grammar input or whatever it is. Until and unless you speak, you communicator, you try, you get the stage, you speak in front of the audience, you are not able to make it to the communication. So guys, if you really want to communicate, then yes, I'm going to give you the platform the way I have given many. Yes, I have given many platforms to the speakers who are aspiring to be an amazing communicator. Let's have a watch.
Strength so that I can overcome with weakness. So it also happens to me also. Someday I'll be very positive and someday I'll be feeling very low energy. So I go and watch certain enjoyment movies or comedy scenes, then I get energized myself. So in life we should not succumb to our energy, our strength to any weakness or any negativity surrounded. We should always overcome this weakness and keep.
Okay, this is an outstanding. I think it's a standing ovation talk. Wow, wonderful. What happened, Rekha, today? What happened? Something must have happened today. It was a rocking performance.
Yeah, Rekha, really
Oh
very nice.
my God.
Yeah, shocked.
Lovely, lovely. And today she was standing and giving. Am I right? Are you standing right now?
Yeah,
Yes,
I'm
yes,
standing
yes.
actually. I'm standing
Yes.
and standing.
Okay, wow. It was, I think this is no, I think the best speech now till
Okay.
now I've heard from you.
I am also
Wonderful.
trying to talk standing.
Okay, no, this is wonderful, Rekha. But this
Yeah.
time, I don't know, maybe you have planned something really different than others
No,
because today.
I was actually practicing certain action and how to use the words and all. We are actually
But
me,
today your
Rashi, and
approach was different. Normally, whenever you
yeah,
speak, I feel, you just want to speak. But today your approach was different. Today you have decided that, I'm going to make it my best.
yes. So it
It
takes
was
practice, sir. Yeah,
wonderful.
practice. Yeah,
Lovely, lovely, wonderful,
thank you.
lovely. So guys, they have done it. Now it's your turn. Are you interested to join our 5-day workshop? Then please click below the link and join our 5-day workshop. I'm going to tell you guys that this 5 sessions, yes, this 5-day workshop is going to change something in your life. It will take out your all fear that you have regarding communication. And yes, it will give you a stage to be a wonderful and amazing and a mesmerizing communicator. Thank you very much. See you in the workshop. Please go to the link and join our 5-day workshop. See you there. Bye-bye.